Please do not use speakerphones on any public transport or National Express services for your own personal security. Medical emergency notification.
My brother just left your place.
Respect your driver's personal space and time and his workspace down in front of the vehicle. It's personal use only. Please do not come down to the coach to the front of the coach and distract your driver.
Alright, after I had lunch there, I figured I'm going to come back and get dinner there because it's right down